Good morning, Cyril Elementary. It's so good to see you guys on our last Wednesday for this school year. You guys ready for summer break? I am too. Let's do our creed at this time, okay? And then I'm going to go into some announcements, okay? Some end of the year announcements that we need to be made aware of. Let's do our creed. Everyone together, okay? I am a winner. My destiny is in my hands. I will determine what I become. I will value others as unique individuals. I will encourage others and celebrate in their successes. I will have respect for myself and others. I will set a good example. Education is my ticket to success, and it will give me power to achieve my goals. I am a student at Cyril Elementary. This is my time and my place. Good job, guys. Way to go. Our word for this week, last word for the year, is sincerity. Honesty of mind. Make sure words touch the wisdom tooth on the way out. Our word for this week is sincerity. Okay, announcements. This is our last school week. We'll be coming in and enrolling in August, okay, for the next school year. So be watching our Facebook page so you know when to come enroll. Our first day of school right now is set for August the 5th. So we know our enrollment will be before August the 5th, okay? Your report cards will be ready next week. Next Wednesday, if you want to swing by the school and pick them up, you can. However, if you want to pick them up when you come for enrollment, then that's fine also, okay? Chromebooks. You guys signed a contract, and those Chromebooks were due back last week, but we didn't get very many people come back and bring in their Chromebooks. Those are $500. So, and you signed the contract, so I need those Chromebooks back by Friday, okay? ASAP. Our assignments are over, our school assignments are over, so you should not need that Chromebook anymore, so I need the Chromebooks brought back. Library books, your track suits, anything like that, we're here every day, so bring those. We need them this week. Just let's get everything finished this week. Let's just get it done, okay? Today, tomorrow, Friday, let's get everything turned in and get our school year completed. It'll make you feel better. It'll make all of us feel better if we'll get that done, okay? We've cleaned out lockers. Teachers have cleaned out their classrooms. We have sacks and boxes of your stuff all up and down the hallways. You can pick those up anytime. Today, tomorrow, or Friday, okay? Let's just get in here and get all that done. Chromebooks. Chromebooks are important. We need those Chromebooks back. We have to do thorough cleaning, and then we have to store them for the summertime. We need those back like ASAP, like we needed those back last week. So get those to me as soon as possible. I missed you guys, but we've done it. I'm so proud of all of you, and we'll see you guys next school year. Stay with us so you can do the YMCA. See you guys.